Hello, everybody. Andrew Mieski here with Epicure. How is everybody doing so far? It is now July the 20th, so our pre-launch has happened, which is amazing. You all should have gotten your kits by now. The kits typically take a week to 2 weeks to come in. And for those of you, if you were one of the first 500 people to sign up, they will have likely sent you like a little package before your kit comes in. So a lot of people actually sent me a message saying, okay, this little package I got is great, but this isn't the kit, is it? No, that is just your, free product welcome package if you were one of the first 500 people to sign up. So it comes with a meal kit, it comes with some pudding and some other stuff too. So just sort of some like free products to try out first, because our full launch is August the 9th. So we're almost there. So just to answer some of the more commonly asked questions. We are in the pre-launch stage now, meaning anybody from the US can sign up. So if you know anybody who wants to sign up, have them sign up under you so they're part of our team, because I will be doing trainings. I will be coming on live more often, to just kind of help everybody out and to get excited. Because when you first start, you have a lot of questions. There's a lot to read online. There's product info sheets. There's everything. There's training through the Epicure website too, so have a look. So have a look at everything, because there's so much to learn. But as of August 9th is when you can actually start taking orders. So you can have your cooking classes now if you want to get people, asking questions and to get people interested, but they will not be able to place orders until August 9th. But that's still okay, because we're not that far off. It's July 20th. So you can start to have cooking classes and tell people, hey, if you guys want to order anything, be the first to order and I will give you an extra sample or something, right? A little tip on that is I typically buy their teas. Their teas come in like pre-wrapped packages, right? So I will give a sample of that to each person. You can buy the samples on the Epicure website, in your back office, but it's just not as cost effective. It's not expensive or anything, but it's a lot cheaper and more cost effective to take out like a packet of tea and give them that, okay? And give them even a couple like different kinds, but I still give out the samples too, because I just like to be able to do that. And even if they come to one of your cooking classes, you could like open up your dip mixes, your like seasonings, spices, and give them each a sample of that. So you could put them in a little Ziploc bag, like buy those like tiny like plastic containers or something off of Amazon. But you could do that at your cooking classes. So then that way they can see that you're not doing anything to their sample, because we're technically not allowed to take out product and give it the samples, because people don't know what we're doing with them. But in my opinion, if your guests are there and they can see you like taking it out and putting it in a little container for them, why not? How is that any different of giving people leftovers, right? Why not, right? And it's more cost effective. But a common question is, so when would your month one start? Because when you join the company, you have 3 months to participate in some amazing challenges. So the more cooking classes you have, you will get free stuff, and you can have a chance to win your kit purchase, meaning that money that you had paid to buy your kit, you can get that money back. And that is by hosting 12 cooking classes over 3 months. You can hold 12 in 2 months, but you do have 3 whole months to do that. If you want to learn more, I did upload a video. I think I called it the fast track video or the fast track challenge, something like that. But have a look where I kind of offer tips on how to do exactly that. So how to host 12 cooking classes in 3 months. It's a lot easier than people think, because you're excited. People are excited because it's something new. host a cooking class. It can be online, in person, it doesn't matter. So your month one starts in August, meaning August to September. That is month one. Because a lot of people have been asking me, well, I can't place orders now. So is this my month one from July to August from when I signed up? No. Month one starts when you can place orders. So that will be in August. But get people excited, you guys. Like, start talking about it, post about it. You know, don't think that you have to sell. That's not the point. Like, you don't have to sell Epicure, say it's the most amazing thing. Here's the most amazing product, purchase now. No, it's not about selling, but it's about sharing how much easier it is to eat healthy, to cook things that are quick, easy, less mess, because we all have to eat. So don't think about like selling, but thinking about how you are going to share your love of Epicure. The best way to do that is to just simply post about if you made your lunch, obviously. If you're using Epicure to make your breakfast, lunch, dinner, take pictures, you guys. Just post the picture and say, I had the most amazing lunch. You do not have to say, oh, Epicure is amazing. This product costs $6. That's it, you guys. I had the most amazing lunch. That's okay to say. That's okay too, but don't do it every single time, because then it does sound like you're selling Epicure. But if you're just simply posting about what you had for lunch, people go, oh, wow, that does look really good. How did you make that? Send me the recipe. I do it all the time. So people know to come to me for recipe ideas. I had started my pantry club a couple months ago, and it is awesome. You guys should all do something like that, because how I do it is, so everybody's different. But for the pantry club, how I do it is I ask customers to commit to spending at least $30 every 2 months. So not even every month, because that's hard for a lot of people. But I say $30 every 2 months, so every other month. And I do ask that there is at least 10 people. And that way, every one of those 10 people, they have a chance to be a hostess every other month for free products. It's that simple. If I have more than 10 people, then I do hold like different pantry club groups. So then that way they all have a chance to be a hostess within that year. Because if I have 30 people, for somebody to be a host, it could take like 3 years, and nobody wants that, right? So they kind of want to know that they will be getting their free stuff that year no matter what, because you want to hold a qualified cooking class, right, of at least $250. And for every host that I have for that month. So I usually do a draw at the beginning of the month for who will be the host. And I tell them, ask other people, you guys, share your love of Epicure. So then that way they go, oh, I want to purchase something. So then you will get more free stuff. And then you can even invite them in to the pantry club that we do have, because people love kind of sharing ideas. They love sharing what to eat, what's for dinner, help me out. And they only have to spend $30 every other month, and they get some amazing products. But I do offer like little tips too, or little incentives where like they will always get a catalog like right away. I do share the month before. So I share what's coming up for the next month, which we're not supposed to do, but I just kind of do it with my VIP like customers, right? So that they feel that they're getting something special. But I tell them, don't tell anybody, like this is top secret for me, you, that's it. Plus I do have stock on hand too. So then I will kind of give them a sale, like $2 off every product you purchase that I don't give to everybody else. So yes, I'm technically taking a hit unless I got them on sale myself, which is the best thing to do, you guys. If we have like a customer appreciation or a host gift, buy that the month before, because as a seller, you are able to do that. And everything is on sale. So you can actually keep it for yourself, or you can sell it at full price or a little bit of a sale, but still make some extra money. But I will talk about all of that in another video. I could just keep on talking, but I'm sure you guys have other things to do. So please be sure though to leave me a comment if you have any questions. If you're watching this and you're not on my team and you want to be, comment, you guys. I will leave actually the link if you would like to sign up for Epicure on the bottom. Just send me an email and I will email you back right away. And your kit is usually sent within a week or two. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.